Hi guys, Fonzie here from GT Performance. Today we've got a blue Mustang. You don't see this colour too much. It's got blind struts on it. It does have a Roush intake. Very good intake. Is a much smaller intake in the cross-sectional area where the map is. So usually will make a bit more bottom end, but not as much top end. And this one we've just got the regular X-Force headers. So it's a good combination. It's probably not up to the top end power of the GT Performance headers and the JLT intake, but it's a stout package. The owner already had the products a while back, so what we've done is done a custom tune to make sure they all operate together. So give it a whirl and dyno and we'll go through it. Okay, what you can still see is our new custom tune with different cam timing that we've developed. The ignition is still working a treat. So anyone who has an earlier one, we've done some updates, probably give us a call. But that's just showing you that it's a really stout package for the FN Mustangs. 360, 480 rear wheel horsepower. So that's a very good result. So what you'll see is basically the red one here is the other one we did the other day with the GTP headers, and that ran out to about 373, 376. So there's a good probably 14 rear wheel kilowatts difference, which is realistically a fair bit of power at the end of the day, difference wise, even in the torque across here. So with the other headers, smaller headers and the different intake, it does have a little bit more in one section down low, but the torque of the GTP headers shows you that it comes on stronger and continues to carry the power. So both good products. If you want the ultimate, you'd go to the GT Performance headers. If you've already got the X-Force, we can custom tune it like we've done for this customer. Plenty of Roush intakes getting around. Very good velocity down low for the intake because it's much smaller in the map cross-sectional area. So very good drivability as well. So it's a mix and match of parts, but we can still make it happen for a very good result compared to a usual 290 rear wheel kilowatt stock package. This blue Mustang now is going to hit the roads and be a force to be reckoned with. Thanks guys, Fonzie of GT Performance. We'll see you soon again.